Learn in 2 minutes how to make a dessert that will earn you plenty of compliments. In a bowl, add 60 grams of passion fruit gelatin and 250 milliliters of hot water to dissolve the gelatin faster. Mix well. Then add 250 milliliters of cold water to cool the mixture and help the gelatin solidify. Once it's ready, transfer it to a small glass dish and refrigerate for about 2 hours. Around the same time, we'll also prepare a pineapple layer. Here, use 40 grams of pineapple gelatin and 250 milliliters of hot water. Stir to dissolve. For a creamier texture, add 200 grams of heavy cream and 400 grams of condensed milk. Mix until the texture is smooth. Two hours later, our passion fruit gelatin is set. Cut it into cubes about this size. Transfer them to a larger glass dish to accommodate both layers. Start by adding the passion fruit cubes, and then pour over the creamy pineapple gelatin. This time refrigerate for 4 hours. And just like that, it's ready. With a few ingredients and a little patience, we have a refreshing and creamy gelatin dessert. Here on the channel we have countless recipes to help you create a sensational lunch. Serve this gelatin as the finishing touch and you'll have a complete and delicious meal. Did you like the tip? Then give it a thumbs up so we can reach even more people. Subscribe to the channel to receive our daily recipes, and leave your suggestions in the comments so we can share them with everyone here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.